Hey guys, how you doing? Dave Moore here, better known from Instagram as iDaveMoore. Just pretty much your average gun nut here in Ohio. But I did have a tip that I thought of in regards to changing the mag release on a Glock, specifically a Gen 4 Glock. I had a problem that whenever I would punch out, my support hand would hit the mag release, dropping the mag, which I can't have that in a self-defense situation, or even at the range. It's just pretty much embarrassing. So, goes clear. Go ahead and take it apart. All you really do is you just take a screwdriver. This is the basic part. This isn't really a trick. So you get that little spring. Probably can't see it. I get it. But after you pull out well, in my case, the extended, I'm putting back in the stock one. You're going to take just a normal ballpoint pen. I actually take the ink out of it so that I don't screw up the pen, but put it over the little springy thingy in there. Technical terms. As you insert it in there, I'm not going to be able to show you on camera how this works, but you put the mag release in and you pull back on the pen, and that allows it to slide through. Because I've tried a few ways, taking a screwdriver, trying to get it in there, coming from here, coming from there, trying to pull it back. It doesn't work. It works, but it's really a pain in the ass. So you take this, you put it on the spring, the metal rod that's in there, and you just pull it back. Then it goes on. Like clockwork, per se. Then you just take your screwdriver, and you push it to get it to seat. I'm sorry if I'm off camera. I'm kind of new at this. I'm just trying to get it to work here. You get it to click back in there. Beautimous. Put your Glock back together. Now that problem will not happen, and makes it a little easier. I got the Ghost Ink X release. It's really good. It's just when you're under stress and you're squeezing the gun real hard, that magazine pops loose, and it's not a good situation to have. So that's really it. Hope that helped. Kind of bleeding here. Hope that helped a little bit. Makes it easier if you ever have to do that.